What makes your brokerage different? No, seriously, different. My guess is that many of you have two trains of thought with that question. Number one, you're struggling to quickly spout off true differentiation. Or two, you're thinking about the same trainings that almost every brokerage on every street corner offers their agents. Well, if you truly want to offer real value that will not only attract, but also retain your agents, you've stuck with this video long enough to find out how you can make a real difference in your brokerage's value propositions. You've heard it, you've seen it, and you know it. Video is the future of our world, and your agents know it also. But if you aren't using it at a high level, how can you teach it to them? Well, we have the solution. Enter Business Video School, a fully comprehensive, interactive, and virtual video school for your agents to learn video. From the very basics to intermediate to advanced skills. And it doesn't stop there. We teach social media strategies for all platforms and so much more. Contact us to learn more and create that differentiation in your market to attract and retain more real estate agents.